How to code commons. Programming languages are not understood or interpreted easily by everyone, and it is often difficult to look at a piece of code and figure out what it is doing or why. For this reason, it is a good idea to add notes to your programs to explain in natural language what the program is doing. These notes are called comments, and they are marked with the hash symbol in Python. There are three types of comments in Python: single line comments, inline comments, and multi-line comments. Single line comments are the comments that appear on a line by itself. So, as an example, I'll write a single line comment over here. Hashtag. This is an example of a single line comment. Next is inline comments. So you can also put comments at the end of a line of code in the following manner. So hash, the value of x is 2. Similarly, I can write here the value of x is 3. Everything from the hash to the end of the line is ignored. It has no effect on the program whatsoever. The message is intended for the programmer or for future programmers who might use this code. Lastly, the multi-line comment. It's not used a lot, but it is used when the instructions are longer than just a line or two. There are two ways of writing the multi-line comment. The first way is writing many single-line comments in this manner. Alright. And there's another way to write multi-line comments. So in this way, you have to encase your comment in the triple double quotes in this manner. Now when you run the code, you'll see only the actual code is printed. Whatever the print statements were, only those are printed. The comments have no effect on the code whatsoever. And these comments also give you a clue as to what is going on. And that's how comments play an integral part in coding. Comments make understanding the code even easier. That's why it's a good practice to use comments in your code whenever possible.